Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live, and we've had low clouds and fog kind of stapled over the area. It's starting to clear out to the west just a little bit, drying out, but we still have some problem areas with reduced visibility across Minnesota. That'll be our concern. More on that in a minute. Right now, 32 out at Hector. See those low clouds here in the FM area. Wind more northwesterly now. It's around 15 miles per hour. We have coldest temperatures right now out in the Devil's Lake Basin at 1923 in Jamestown. And the white line here is that freezing line. Now, with all of our soupy and wet weather today, as temperatures sneak down towards freezing, watch for slippery, icy sidewalks, and on-ramps and off-ramps and bridges can also ice up if a little bit damp as well. So cool enough, but definitely warmer on the Minnesota side of the river. With the south flow continuing there, we have northwest flow trying to bring some drier air into the valley right now, and it is mainly around 10 to 15 miles per hour as we go across the region. Here's a look at the latest visibilities. Under a mile from Bemidji down through Alexandria, and most of that fog here where you see the gray, with reduced visibility at times elsewhere. Here's a look at the satellite. We see a little bit of a breaking up of the clouds in the Devil's Lake Basin, but other than that, we're all stapled in for now. Your forecast shows that we'll be undergoing a little bit of change in our western counties as we set things into motion. But where you see the dark gray colors here, that's where we'll have a chance at fog continuing this evening. It doesn't go anywhere. Then overnight, well, there'll be a chance for it lingering as temperatures fall. That kind of helps keep that fog in play for our eastern counties. So because of the low clouds and fog, your temperatures to start the day will be a little milder. The coolest weather out to the west to get things going will be in the teens. Then, as we go through the day, finally, this batch of low clouds and fog starts to scoot off to the east with temperatures and south winds rising into the 30s for most areas, 40s for a few. If you are traveling to the east, Duluth, St. Cloud, or the Twin Cities, be advised you could run into those low clouds and foggy conditions as you get farther to the east tomorrow. Now, late in the day, quiet weather with wind as well, but we will see an increase in clouds and a chance for some unsettled weather into Thanksgiving Day. More on that in a minute. Right now, we start out in Fargo tomorrow in the 20s. We'll see temperatures race up on sunny skies with winds generally from the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour, spending some time in the mid-30s and then increasing clouds late on your Wednesday. Your hometown snapshot. This is as of 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at the warmth out in Jamestown and Devil's Lake, Valley City, all near 40 to 45 degrees. A lot of 30s elsewhere, with the coolest weather in the far east where you'll see a little bit less in the way of sun and more in the way of clouds. Okay, Turkey Trot is on. Thanksgiving Day forecast shows that batch of clouds making its way over by the morning hours, so the turkey will be dodging flakes. There he goes. See him? Get out of the flakes there. We get a little break from the snowy activity midday. Perfect for that after dinner walk, if you will, when you take your turkey for a walk. Then in the evening, another shot of hit and miss flurries of snow cannot be ruled out, with temperatures for most 30 to 35 degrees. Mike, here's a look at doe, by the way. Sherry captured this frosty scene across the area in northeast North Dakota. Here's a look at Thursday, 35 in Fargo. Again, flakes most likely up north in the morning and then again late in the day. Friday looks cooler, but very quiet. How about a keeper on Saturday, Mike? Temperatures rising into the 40s. Then as we go through Sunday, big time changes take hold and we're back down into the 20s. So the 40s don't last too long.
Your turkey looks to be in pretty good shape.
He keeps up with it. He's getting his daily steps in.
All right, thanks.